Hey guys, today is September 6th, a couple days after the remnants of Hurricane Ida came through. I got here to the creek. Of course, it's still a little high, but I think it's fishable. And I forgot my harness to put the GoPro camera on my chest, so I got it on the tripod. We'll see. Maybe I won't even make a video with this footage. Maybe I won't even catch anything. But here we go. Thanks for watching. And I left all my lures up in the car. I just didn't think anything was going to happen. I caught a very, very small fall fish. We'll let him go. See you, buddy. Oh, that's fall fish. It's a little bit better fall fish. Oh, shoot. See you, buddy. Hello guys, this is Chad from the C&B Experience. I only caught those 2 fall fish, but you know what? It was fun. Water's still a bit high, a lot muddy, really muddy. And I just didn't feel like going too far away from the bridge. But thanks for watching.